What if a koala left fingerprints at a crime scene? Scientists might actually mistake them for human fingerprints. Koalas have fingerprints so similar to humans that even under a microscope, they can be difficult to tell apart. Despite evolving separately for millions of years, koalas developed fingerprints remarkably similar to ours. Follow for part 2.
What if a tiny shrimp could punch faster than a bullet? It sounds impossible, but this ocean creature can do exactly that.
The mantis shrimp swings its club-like arms at speeds over 50 miles per hour, fast enough to create powerful shockwaves underwater.
Its strike is so powerful that it creates tiny bubbles hotter than the surface of the sun for a fraction of a second. One punch can shatter shells. Follow for part 3.
What if a bird could remember your face for years? Not only that, it could tell other birds about you too.
Researchers discovered that crows can recognize individual human faces and remember them for many years, even after long periods of time.
If a crow thinks someone is dangerous, it can warn other crows. Soon, an entire group may recognize that same person, making crows some of the smartest birds on Earth. Follow for part 4.
What if animals had names, just like humans? Believe it or not, dolphins actually do. Each dolphin develops a unique whistle early in life. Scientists call it a signature whistle. When dolphins want to find one another, they use these unique whistles. It's the closest thing to calling someone by their name. One more reason dolphins are among the smartest animals on Earth. Birds can fly. Insects can fly. But did you know only can truly fly? Flying squirrels may look like they're flying, but they're actually gliding. Bats are different. They generate lift and power with every wing beat. With over 1,400 species, bats make up about 1/5 of all mammal species on Earth, making them one of nature's greatest success stories. Follow for part 6. What if an animal could freeze completely solid, stop moving for months, and still come back to life? The wood frog survives harsh winters by allowing its body to freeze. Its heart stops beating, and it appears completely lifeless.
When temperatures rise, the frog thaws out, its heart starts beating again, and it simply hops away. Incredible survival tricks. Follow for part 7.
What if an animal from the deep ocean could launch itself into the air and actually fly above the water? Some squid use powerful jet propulsion to shoot out of the water at incredible speed. They can travel several meters through the air in a single burst.
Behavior helps them escape predators waiting just beneath the surface. For a few seconds, they are not just swimming, they are flying. For part 8.
What if there was an animal that could avoid death by becoming young again? It sounds like science fiction, but it's real. When injured, stressed, or nearing the end of its life, the immortal jellyfish can reverse its aging process.
Instead of dying, it transforms back into an earlier stage of life and starts growing all over again, making it one of the most extraordinary animals on Earth. Follow for part 9.
What if you could fall asleep without ever stopping your journey? One bird can do exactly that. Scientists discovered that some seabirds, including albatrosses, can sleep while soaring over the ocean, using air currents to stay aloft. They can rest one side of their brain while the other stays alert, allowing them to travel vast distances without landing for days. Follow part 10. What if an animal could survive the vacuum of space? It sounds impossible, but one tiny creature can do it.
The tardigrade, also known as the water bear, can survive extreme heat, freezing temperatures, radiation, and even the vacuum of space.
When conditions become impossible, it enters a dormant state and waits until life becomes possible again. This tiny creature may be one of Earth's toughest survivors. Follow for part 11.